I'm taking a little break from the office, outside, taking a little walk, enjoying some green space, all things that are good for your mental health. May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and I spoke to a primary care physician as well as some folks who seek treatment for their mental health help about why it's important to have a good relationship with your primary care provider to get the care you need.
It was my first time living really far away from home. And I think that with the addition of the extra stress of, just being a high school teacher, um, it exacerbated the anxiety that I like knew was there, but had never officially been diagnosed with.
Ashley Bartley's mental health journey started when she first began teaching.
I started having panic attacks. And at first, I didn't know what they were. I was just like, I feel like an elephant is sitting on my chest all the time, and like I can't breathe and I can't focus. And one of my friends told me, like, Ashley, I think you're having a panic attack. I think you need to go to the doctor.
Her primary care doctor, there.
And she was like, all right, let's get you right. And so she helped me get started on my like initial regimen of medication.
A lot of people, if they're not doing well, if they're feeling more stressed, more anxious, or more depressed, they might not know where to turn, but their family doctor is where they can go and get that first step.
Dr. Lauren Snyder with Corewell Health explaining you can turn to her. That's why family doctors are so important.
I think it was a hard step to make. And so it was really nice to go to like this doctor that I already knew and had a relationship with in order to like get started.
Family doctor is that point person who can help you figure out who you need, because some people do need to get in with a psychiatrist right away, and some people need to be directed to a therapist, but that is such a difficult and confusing thing to navigate on your own.
Charlotte Best first got help for her mental health as a child.
If you are struggling with something, I think the best thing to do is to reach out.
Saying the process can be easier than you might think.
If you talk to your physician and you're working with your physician and your therapist, you can figure out something that works for you, and it doesn't have to be this crazy burden of appointments and wait lists and all those things.
These measures, life changing.
And I can genuinely say that, therapy and medication have saved my life.
Reporting, Julie Dunmeyer, Fox 17 News.